입맛은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
For this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit a chroma effect transition to your videos. Download CapCut and prepare to videos. Make your first video. Make another video. This time, I used a short bond paper size in green color. Move the paper in different directions or places to make the chroma key effect later on this video. Open CapCut and load your first video. Click on Overlay button at the bottom of the menu. Select your second video. Drag and resize the video. Make sure it fits on the first video. Click the second video and choose Chroma Key button at the bottom of the menu. Drag the color picker and point to the green paper. Click on the intensity and set to 26. Then play the video from the start. Please see the result video at the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, please hit subscribe.